Okay, our next draw command is the circle command. Now there are 6 different methods to draw circles in AutoCAD in this program, and the icon for that is directly beside Polyline, and it has a drop-down menu. Now if I click there, you can see the 6 options to drawing circles: center radius, center diameter, 2-point, 3-point, tangent, tangent radius, and tangent, tangent, tangent. Now, depending upon your application and your needs for drawing circles, you can select from any one of those 6 options. Now, you do need to be careful that when you just click the icon for what it is, rather than hitting the pull-down menu, it defaults to center radius. Now, because all circles are dimensioned or given by dimension of their diameter, you can get into trouble if you just mindlessly click the icon and then just type in the diameter. Then you're going to wonder why your circle is not the correct size, because it defaults to radius. So if you type the diameter in, you're obviously going to get a circle that is twice the size that you desired. So please get in the habit of using the pull down menu and selecting the method of drawing a circle that suits your needs. The first one that we're going to do, just because I already have some pre-drawn lines on the screen here, I'm just going to show you how to use several of these options. The first one we're going to do, let's just say that you had a series of lines as you see in this first example, and I just wanted a circle that was going to be tangent to all 3 of those lines. In order to prevent yourself from having to figure out those exact points, we can use the circle function that allows you to make a circle that is tangent to all 3 of those lines. The option for that is tangent, tangent, tangent. So if we select that, and now I just simply left click tangent to the line on the left, then I click the line on the right, and then I'll finally click the line at the bottom, and it creates a circle that is tangent to all 3 of those line segments. That is tangent, tangent, tangent circle. The next option here that you see, I have 2 lines that are perpendicular with each other. And let's just say that I wanted to create a circle that was tangent to both of those lines, but had a specific radius of 4 inches. So I can choose from the pull-down menu, tangent, tangent, radius. So I'll select that. I'll left-click the line, the vertical line, then left-click the horizontal line, and then it asks you to type in the desired radius of the circle you wish to create. So if I wanted a 4-inch radius, I'll type 4, hit enter, and I have created a 4-inch radius circle, 8-inch diameter, that is tangent to both of those existing lines. The next options are 2-point and 3-point circles. The 2-point circle just allows you to choose 2 points along the circumference of the circle to draw a circle. So if I select that option, and I simply click a point on the circle's diameter that I want. I'll click 1 point, and let's say that I want, the second point to be directly down 5 inches across its circumference. So I'll just move in the direction downward, type 5, and hit enter. Now I've given it the 2 points, and I've created a 2-point circle. I'll just hold the scroll and slide left by panning so that I have more space here to draw. A 3-point circle does the same thing. You just choose 3 points along the circumference as it says. So I'll choose that, and I'll just click 3 separate points. I'll just pick a point here. I'll just pick a point kind of down and to the right, and then I'll pick a point kind of directly across to the left. And I've created a 3-point circle. I picked a point up here, a point here, and a point over here along the circumference, and it drew a 3-point circle. The 2 most common methods of drawing circles that you will probably encounter and use are center radius and center diameter. The most important one that you would probably use if you're drawing a complete circle that you are not going to trim or delete some of would be center diameter. So we'll choose center diameter, and you can either left click any point on the screen or simply give it a coordinate or snap it to an end point, a midpoint, anywhere that you desire the center point to be. Left click there, and then you simply type in whatever the desired diameter should be. So I'll just type, say, 2.5 and hit enter, and I got a 2.5 diameter circle. The last method to draw a circle is center radius. So if I go and click center radius, again, you just choose a center point wherever that may be. You left click there, and then you type in the desired radius. Let's say 4.75. And now we have a 4.75 radius circle. Those are your methods, your 6 methods to draw circles in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.